If you're new to the Nintendo Switch, you might be wondering how to put it into sleep mode the right way. Sleep mode helps save battery and lets you quickly pick up where you left off. Much better than shutting it down completely if you plan to play again soon. Don't worry, it's easy and I'll show you the simplest methods to do it. Let's get started. Method 1. Using the power button. Press the power button once quickly. This will put the console into sleep mode, where the screen turns off but your game stays paused. No need to hold it down, just a quick press. Method 2. From the home menu. Press the home button on your Joy-Con or Pro Controller to go to the home menu. Select the power icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Choose sleep mode from the options. The console will then enter sleep mode safely without closing your games. That's all there is to it. Putting your Nintendo Switch to sleep takes just seconds. If you have any questions or want more Switch tips, feel free to leave a comment below. Have fun gaming!